subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, the company is now reported to launch more affordable phone under same lineup as Pixel 8a. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hemmerstoffer, in partner with SmartPre. According to leaks and rumors, the Pixel 8a will sport a flat 6.1-inch display, with relatively thin bezels on the sides and a small chin on the bottom, and there is hole punch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a dual camera set up at the top left corner, including LED flash, and it looks quite similar to Pixel 8 smartphone. The volume rockers along with the power button is located on the right edge, while on the left appears to have an ejectable SIM slot. At the bottom we see a Type-C charging port, alongside the stereo speakers. The physical dimensions of this smartphone is said to measure at 152.1 by 72.6 by 8.9 millimeters. According to recently leaked Geekbench listings suggest, the Pixel 8a will come powered by an underclocked variant of the Tensor G3 chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM, and it will run on latest Android 14. Apart from this, there is no other details of Pixel 8a has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Pixel 8a smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.